Hi, may I know your name and where do you stay in Bangalore?
Yeah, my name is Sunil Solanki and I stay in Kumara Park.
How old is your child?
My child is 2 years of age.
What were you looking for him?
Actually, I was looking for a nice ambience and a very good play school for him, which gives very much of personal attention to him. So, and that is when I zeroed down on Ika.
Which other play schools did you consider?
It was Shishiras and First Steps. Since there were a lot of students there, like 30 plus, I thought he wouldn't be there would be personal concentration on him. Whereas in Ika, I had a personal concentration on my child.
Okay. Which one did you finally choose and why?
I chose Ika because it's close to my house and I like the method, the Montessori method, what Anika was explaining to me. And I like the concepts and the play area stuff and every bit of it. They concentrate on day-to-day activities, his daily chores and all that. So he's on himself, and his hand and eye coordination and all that they concentrate. It's on himself. So I chose Eka and I'm happy with it.
How has your experience been with Eka Montessori House of Children?
Okay. Hitansh is really enjoying my and my child's experience, I would share. Till now, we've really enjoyed every bit of it because there's personal attention towards him and they let him free. They're not rigid or strict, he has to do this or he has to do that. They open to him so a child would explore every corner of it and he's on himself. So he feels at home. Instead, if he has to miss a day of school, he would be like, no, I want to go to school, I don't want to stay at home. That's my child's view for Ika.
Okay. Based on your experience, tell me two best things about Eka.
My husband.
I would like to say that the best experience at Ika is the field trips. They have taken the children to the market, they have taken the children to the zoo, and they have taken them with ease and lot of comfort, and they have enjoyed thoroughly, and they want to go back again. They come home and tell us the experience, and what they have seen in the zoo, how else is they are also naming the animals seen in the books. So I really appreciate one of that quality of theirs.
I was a little hesitant that at this young age can he go to the zoo and all that. But then when Anita told me that she will take care, and the result was also equal. He really enjoyed it thoroughly and he had an amazing
It's almost
experience.
40 kilometers from here. So it's a good thing that they've gone on their own with their teachers and come back. So we're happy about that.
Okay.
Otherwise, even in the atmosphere in school is also very nice. Be it their food habits, the play area, the classrooms, in their toiletries, everything maintained very neat and clean, and they take care of the child very well.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Eka to other parents?
I would say all five.
A thumbs up and a 5. I'm very much going to recommend to all my friends and cousins who are staying nearby.
Yeah.
All the best to Ika and the Ika team. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.